Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube space. If you are new here, hey girl, hey. And if you are an existing subscriber of mine, thank you so much for your continuous support. In today's video, I am pretty much going to be showing you all how to make your own clip-ins. Have you ever seen beautiful hair that you want, but they don't have clip-ins in that hair that you want? This video is for you all. So if you watch my birthday video from not last year but the year before, which was 2020, I was supposed to turn these into clip-ins because when I purchased the hair, they didn't have this hair, which is the identical brand that I installed in my hair, in clip-ins. So I said, okay, I'll just make them myself. But after installing natural colored clip-ins, I was like, I don't think I need to do anymore. It was a look, so I left it as is. Now here I am, a year and a half later, wanting to switch it up again. So let's start with the tools and materials you'll need. A needle, a comb, a brush, and some scissors. All right, the hair is a little dry because I have not touched this hair in over a year. So I'm gonna spray a little sheen on it, just a little bit, because I don't want it too shiny. This is just to make, yeah, there we go. Bring it back to life. Look how nice this hair is for it to be $14. Here's one track of the original clip-ins that I installed on my birthday. As you can see, they're like double lined, which allows the hair to not be that thin down here. If I literally were to just do one single track, the hair will be so thin. So what I'm going to have to do is combine maybe two tracks, or let me see, I think two would be enough. Yeah, two is enough. I'm going to fold my tracks in half, honestly, because I want this process to be a little faster. I think I'm gonna use my sewing machine to sew a straight line, because for me to just that's gonna take so long. And listen y'all, if y'all don't have a sewing machine, don't stress yourself out. Just take the sewing hair and just thread it down, play some tunes, get through. It's just me, my patience. I literally have so much to do today. I'm filming this hair clip video and I'm filming a week in my life vlog. So your girl got a lot to do. So I need to do it quick, fast. So I'm gonna go grab my sewing machine and sew a straight line.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying, is also known as a buster. And I know that he cannot approach me, cause I'm looking like class and he's looking like trash. Can't get with a deadbeat ass. So, no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time. No, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
I'm going to take the hair and measure the width, or should I say length, of where I'll be positioning the clip-ins, and then I'm just going to bring it back a little because I don't want it so close to the front where it's showing, and then cut. And then I'll keep doing that over and over again, like wherever I want the clip-ins to be, measure it, cut. Measure it, cut. That way when I'm installing it, it's tailored to the size of my head. You want to make sure the comb is facing outwards and not inwards when you're sewing it on your trakt. So basically make sure it looks like this, outwards facing and not inwards facing. It shouldn't open from the bottom like where the trakt is. That's a now. Okay, so today is the next day. As you all can see, I got my Dominican blowout. My hair is pretty much giving very damaged. So I had to get a couple of inches cut off, and I still don't think that it did it any justice. I'm gonna end up having to do a big chop sooner or later. But anyways, let's just get back to the topic. But yes, this is how it looks before the clip-ins go in. I wish you all can see it like close up, like in detail, so you can see how many split ends I had. She had to cut a lot from the front, which I knew was gonna happen because of all that stuff I was doing to it. I knew that was gonna happen. But this is how it looks before the clip-ins are installed. This side is always my healthy side. Like this side, I can always rely on this side.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and you alone. Part of me that cared is gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could have.
So this is how it came out. I love it. I knew this color would fit me just for the simple fact that I used to wear it back in the days when I was in high school, and my skin tone hasn't changed that much since then. So I know this color is something I can always go back to without a problem. I installed more clip-ins than I did last time, so it looks fuller and I like it. It looks nice, especially when I put it up in a ponytail. If you made it to the ending of this video, thank you so much for your support. If you would like to support me a little bit further, please give this video a thumbs up and or subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed today's content. Y'all, that really helps boost me up in the YouTube algorithm, okay? So yes, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys have any video suggestions, I'm always happy to hear. I absolutely love interacting with you all. And again, if you would like to see a more detailed step-by-step on how to layer your clip-ins in your hair so it can look natural, you can check out my first clip-in video. As always, until next time.